If you are struggling with your writing and reading section in PTE, then this video is probably really important. Make sure you save it. I'm Malcolm. Now, the first thing which is really important and matters is called Subject-Verb Agreement. What that basically means is if your noun is a plural noun, then the verb after that will also be a plural verb. And vice versa, if the noun is a singular noun, then the verb will also be a singular verb. For example, the team is winning the game. So team, singular noun, is singular verb. The teams are winning the games. Teams, plural noun, are plural verb. Make sure you always use and check this rule, especially when you're doing write essay, write from dictation, these two tasks, and also in summarize spoken text in listening. If you use this rule and always check your answers using this rule, you will probably never make a mistake and you will get full marks in writing. Very, very important. The other thing which is very helpful is what we call collocations. Collocations are two words which always come together. It could be a verb preposition or an adjective preposition collocation. For example, apply for, good at, believe in, capable of, adapt to, interested in, depend on. All these are collocations. And words like in, on, of, for, to, by, these are called prepositions. If you're good at preposition collocations, you will probably be very good at solving reading blanks and reading, writing, fill in the blanks, both in the reading section, and your reading score will go up as well. If you are looking for guaranteed PTE, guaranteed NAATI, and guaranteed IELTS classes, which also teach these grammar rules, make sure you enroll with us. Probably no other institute in Australia is giving grammar classes, which we do as a part of our course. And the word guaranteed means we assist you until you pass with your desired score. Don't become a victim and fall prey to classes which offer you very cheap courses, probably just for $100 or something like that. Don't be lured, don't be attracted by just the price. If you're looking for quality, then you pay for quality. So if you're looking for a quality provider for PT, IELTS or NAATI, make sure you contact us. You can find our details on our website, oneaustraliagroup.com, and also in the comment section. We have got some amazing offers going on at the moment for our few lucky initial enrollments. Good luck.